Hello everyone and welcome to the video. Today we're going to be talking about the solar plexus. It is the third chakra in your energy system and it's located in the abdomen, so on the core where everything happens, in the center of all of the things that brings you who you are, concentrating on the powers and strength of your inner qualities, constantly in the change and self-development, as of course we're always trying to grow and be the best versions of ourselves. So these are the stones that are associated with that. Let's get into it. The first one up is going to be citrine. Citrine is a focus on power and understanding. It brings you joy and helps you focus strictly on your goals in your future. So positivity towards your goals. Next up is pyrite. Pyrite is astonishing. Look at its color. It's very, very different. It's actually somewhat of a mineral, and pyrite helps you balance your masculine and feminine energy, gives you a good balance there, and it gives you also a focus on career success. So it can help set your path to something that you really were meant to do. Yellow calcite is a cleansing stone. So it does cleanse your energy, bringing you calm and peace. It gets rid of negative beliefs and blocks and helps you understand why they were there in the first place. It allows you to go through the motion of the cleanse so that you can make a better life for yourself. Amber. Amber is the stone, and I call it the clearing of the mind stone. It pushes and rejects any negativity coming towards you that could put you into the I can't do attitude and self-doubt that creeps up on you and continues to keep you from attaining your goal. Its beautiful color is so very vibrant, and it almost reminds me of a honey that comes from wildflowers. It's got the orange tones and the yellow. It's just absolutely gorgeous, and it's a very beneficial stone. Tiger's eye. Tiger's eye is the stone of courage and strength. It helps you stay focused on the present moment. It definitely is good during stressful times on keeping you calm and collected, and so it's very beneficial.